Is today your birthday?
Yes, it is today.
How old are you?
I am 20 today.
Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy today.
Is this a cake?
Yes, it is cake.
Do you like cake?
Yes, I love cake.
What flavor is it?
It is chocolate cake.
Is it sweet?
Yes, very sweet indeed.
Did you make it?
No, Mom made it.
Is Mom a cook?
Yes, she cooks well.
Are there candles?
Yes, 20 candles here.
Can you blow them?
Yes, watch me now.
Did you make a wish?
Yes, I did it.
What did you wish?
It is a secret.
Are there gifts here?
Yes, many gifts today.
Did you open them?
Not yet, later maybe.
Do you like gifts?
Yes, I love gifts.
Who gave you gifts?
My friends and family?
Is your family here?
Yes, all are here.
Is your dad here?
Yes, Dad is here.
Is your mom here?
Yes, Mom is here too.
Are your friends here?
Yes, 5 friends came.
Are they your best friends?
Yes, my best friends.
Did they sing for you?
Yes, they sang loudly.
Did you feel happy?
Yes, very happy today.
Do you have balloons?
Yes, red and blue.
Are they big balloons?
Yes, very big ones.
Is the room decorated?
Yes, it looks great.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I love parties.
Is this a big party?
No, small but nice.
Did you eat already?
No, not yet now.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, a little hungry.
Is there other food?
Yes, fruits and juice.
Do you like juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
Is the juice cold?
Yes, nice and cold.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, fruit is healthy.
What fruit is here?
Apples and oranges here.
Did friends bring food?
Yes, they brought snacks.
Are the snacks good?
Yes, very tasty snacks.
Do you play games?
Yes, we play later.
What games do you play?
Simple, fun card games.
Is music playing now?
Yes, happy music plays.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Is it loud music?
No, it is calm.
Did you dance today?
Yes, a little bit.
Are you a good dancer?
No, not really good.
Did your friends dance?
Yes, they danced too.
Did everyone have fun?
Yes, so much fun.
Do you feel tired?
A little tired now.
Is it late now?
Yes, almost 10.
Will friends go home?
Yes, very soon now.
Did you thank them?
Yes, I thanked everyone.
Are you grateful today?
Yes, very grateful today.
Do you feel loved?
Yes, very loved today.
Is this a good memory?
Yes, beautiful memory today.
Do you take photos?
Yes, many photos today.
Did you smile a lot?
Yes, all day long.
Is your smile big?
Yes, very big smile.
Did you get a cake photo?
Yes, a great photo.
Do you post photos online?
Yes, I will later.
Do friends like your photos?
Yes, they always do.
Did you call Grandma?
Yes, she called me.
Did Grandma wish you?
Yes, she always does.
Do you love Grandma?
Yes, very much so.
Did Grandpa call too?
Yes, Grandpa called me.
Is Grandpa funny?
Yes, very funny man.
Did cousins come today?
No, they are far.
Did cousins send messages?
Yes, nice warm messages.
Do you miss them?
Yes, I miss them.
Will you visit them?
Yes, very soon maybe.
Is your sister happy?
Yes, she is excited.
Did sister give a gift?
Yes, a nice book.
Do you like books?
Yes, I love reading.
Is it a good book?
Yes, looks very interesting.
Did you hug your sister?
Yes, a big hug.
Do you love your sister?
Yes, very much so.
Did Dad give a gift?
Yes, a new bag.
Do you like the bag?
Yes, it is perfect.
Did Mom give a gift?
Yes, new warm clothes.
Do you like the clothes?
Yes, very nice colors.
Did you hug your mom?
Yes, a long hug.
Did you hug your dad?
Yes, Dad hugged back.
Is your family the best?
Yes, absolutely the best.
Do you feel special today?
Yes, very special today.
Is birthday your favorite day?
Yes, my favorite day.
Will you sleep well tonight?
Yes, very well tonight.
Will you dream happy dreams?
Yes, only happy dreams.
Was today a good day?
Yes, perfect day today.
Will you remember this day?
Yes, always remember it.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, ready for tomorrow?
Thank you for the party.
Thank you for coming.